Hello motherfuckers, and welcome to today's video. In today's video, it's a bit of a special video. We're not doing the average review, no. I had the genius idea to get two of my favorite tobaccos, which is Camel Yellow right here and Lucky Strike, and fucking mix them together and make the most orgasmic cigarette ever rolled in the history of fucking mankind, alright? This is my idea, let's fucking get into it. By the way, I'm filming this video standing up because I don't know where the fuck I put my chair. It's somewhere out there. Please subscribe so I can get a new chair. Alright, so as you can see, I put this much Camel inside. And now I'm gonna put the rest with Lucky Strike. And here we have it, folks. Two different tobaccos rolled into one perfect cigarette. Alright, without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so I've just done my first pulls, alright? My first pulls, I've smoked most of it. And I must say, it is very, very fucking nice. It is banging. This cigarette is nice, alright? Two of my favorite tobacco blends. Camel Yellow. We got the sweetness, the orgasmic taste of the Camel Yellow. And we got that kind of barbecue taste from the Lucky Strike Red. And it is just a fucking cocktail of fucking love, alright? This shit fucking bangs. By the way, I'm filming on my fucking knees, alright? This shit is fucking ridiculous. I have to smoke on my fucking knees. Not even inside the house anymore because my dad walked in the last time. He smelled the smoke and he said, "What the fuck are you doing? It smells like shit in here." And now I have to smoke at the fucking window. On my fucking knees. So, I've almost finished it. We're just about at the filter. You know, on the Just Smokes channel, we do not waste anything. We smoke it right down to the filter. And I must say, I am feeling very buzzed. This is a very, very nice mix. Yeah, very nice. Alright. And I have just finished it. Alright, let's throw that away. Alright, so I've just finished smoking it, and I must say it was very, very fucking nice. I give it a rating, an 8.5 out of 10, alright. It's not as nice as when it's by itself. You know, these tobaccos are very nice by themselves. Camel Yellow on itself is orgasmic. Lucky Strike by itself is very fucking decent. Together, they're nice. Not as nice as, you know, them by themselves, but very fucking nice. 7.5 out of 10. Subscribe, motherfuckers.